I'm starting by rehydrating some vermicelli rice noodles with some hot water. Just pouring over the rice noodles until they're submerged, and it's going to take about 15 to 20 minutes for them to become pliable and soft. After, I rinse them with cold water. And by the way, you'll be able to find this recipe, the list of ingredients, and much more in the Show More section below. If you have a chance, please check it out. Next, I'm frying my shrimp and some sliced chicken breast pieces in a little oil on medium-high heat. This is large shrimp from Argentina that my local grocer had on sale. It's interesting how the shrimp turned the juices pink. Just cooking for a couple minutes until done and then removing. Be sure not to overcook your shrimp. My heat is still on medium-high and I'm adding in a little more oil. The next step is frying an egg, just stirring and chopping until in fine crumbles. And then I'm adding in some sliced onions, bell peppers, bean sprouts, and if you don't have fresh, you can use canned. And finally, a couple diced red chili peppers, cooking and stirring for about 2 to 3 minutes. Don't overcook as you still want the veggies to still have a crunch. Adding in my vermicelli rice noodles, the shrimp and chicken and all the juices. In goes some curry powder, and this adds a lot of flavor and that classic color. Some light soy sauce and oyster sauce. Giving everything a good stir. Just be patient because it takes a while to get everything combined. When everything is combined and the noodles are heated through, we are done. This Singapore fried noodle dish is a quick and easy stir fry. If you noticed, there was no garlic in this dish. The curry powder and sauces really add enough flavor to the noodles, meat, and veggies. Garnishing with some chopped green onions and giving this a taste. It smells so good that I'm going in with a fork. I love all the flavor and textures. This is one of my all-time favorites. I hope you give these Singapore fried noodles a try and enjoy. There are several ways that you can make pad thai. Tonight, I'm making it with chicken and shrimp. And just a reminder that you'll be able to find this recipe, the list of ingredients, and much more in the Show More section below. I've included links to where you can purchase online some of the ingredients and equipment that I use in this video recipe. If you have a chance, please check it out. I'm prepping everything beforehand because once we start cooking, it goes quickly. For the sauce, in a bowl I'm adding in some sugar, fish sauce, tamarind paste, and you can find this at your local Asian market, and I will also leave a link below where you can purchase online. Some lime juice, Thai chili powder, or you can use Siracha sauce, and a little water, giving that a good mix and setting to the side. Next is the tofu. This is an extra firm tofu that I drained, patted dry, and diced into approximately 3/4 of an inch sliced pieces. Adding a little oil to a medium-high heat pan and cooking for about 4 to 5 minutes until they're golden brown. After they're done, removing from the heat and setting to the side. Now the chicken and shrimp. The chicken I sliced into strips about the same size as the tofu. The shrimp I'm using is large. Just cooking in a little oil on medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes or until done. After they're done, removing from the heat and setting to the side. In another pan on medium heat, I'm adding in a little oil, minced garlic, onions, and some julienne carrots. Cooking and stirring for 2 to 3 minutes. These are the pad thai rice noodles that I'm using. I just soaked them in some warm water for about 5 minutes so they became soft and pliable. Then I mixed the noodles and the sauce we made in with the veggies and gave it a good toss. Pushing the noodles to one side, adding in a little oil and 2 eggs. Just letting them cook while I'm stirring and chopping into fine pieces. After cooking about a minute, just stir and mix the eggs in with the noodles. Now I'm adding in some fresh bean sprouts for some crunch. some chopped green onions, the tofu goes back in, some crushed peanuts, the shrimp and chicken, and I think that's it. Now the challenging part, mixing everything together. Just take your time and it will all combine well. Serving the pad thai tonight with some side of fresh bean sprouts, more crushed peanuts, chopped green onions, and a slice of lime. I love all the flavors and textures in pad thai. It's one of my favorites and very satisfying. I hope you give this pad thai recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this pad thai recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love.